In India. Here is breaking news. US presidential elections headed for a tight finish. The US presidential race is headed for a tight finish with the margin between US President Donald Trump and his Democratic rival Joe Biden shrinking, particularly in key battleground states. Latest opinion polls indicated on Monday on the eve of the elections. Biden, 77, was leading Trump 74 in the key battleground states by 2.9 percentage point, which comes within margin of error, according to Real Clear Politics, which maintains an average of major opinion polls. Biden's lead has shrunk over the last few days as Trump and his family have virtually carpet bombarded the key battleground states, including as many as 15 rallies by the president. The first family, along with Vice President Mike Pence, have collectively held more than 40 rallies in the last 3 days of the election. Biden is running mate Senator Kamala Harris, along with the former President Barack Obama, too, have ramped up their public appearances in the last few days. But it's nowhere matching to that of the Trump campaign. On the eve of the election, Biden was in Ohio, while Obama was campaigning in Florida. Harris was in Pennsylvania. Trump was holding 5 rallies in 5 key battleground states: North Carolina, Florida, Wisconsin, Pennsylvania, and Michigan. Nationally, Trump, as per Real Clear Politics, on an average was trailing by 6.5% against Biden till a few days ago. Biden's lead was around 8% points. On Monday, both the Trump and Biden campaign exuded confidence of winning the race on the Tuesday night. A majority of the mainstream media, however, said Monday that Trump has an uphill task to win the elections, given that he continues to trail in polls in key states like Pennsylvania, Florida, Michigan, Arizona, and Wisconsin. A few outlets are saying that Texas, which has traditionally remained a GOP-based state, is also in play in this year. Trump supporters argue that polls do not reflect the ground realities, and like the 2016, the president would win the election with a much stronger mandate. Ned Silver from the important 538.com on Monday said that Trump has about 10% chance of winning that election. Notable, he had gone wrong in 2016. As in 2016, Trump could potentially benefit from the Electoral College. Projected margins in the tipping point states are considerable tighter than the margin in the national popular vote. More specifically, Joe Biden's lead in Pennsylvania, the most likely tipping point state according to our forecast, is solid but not spectacular. About 5 points in our polling average, Silver wrote. Ned Silver said that if Biden wins the popular vote by 2 to 3% point, the Electoral College is roughly a toss-up. But if Biden wins the popular vote by less than 2 points, Trump is fairly heavy favorite to win the election, he wrote. Even popular vote margins of up to 6 points are not entirely safe for Biden if his votes are distributed in exactly the wrong way. So you can see why an 8 or 9 point lead in the popular vote should not make Biden feel that secure. Despite being a landslide margin, it is also only a few points removed from the inflection points where the Electoral College starts to become competitive, he argued. According to the New York Times, if the polls are right, Joe Biden could boast decisive victory in a presidential election in 3.5 decades, surpassing Bill Clinton's win in 1996. That is a big if, it said. The indelible memory of 2016's polling misfire when Donald J. Trump trailed in virtually every pre-election poll and yet swept the battleground states and won the Electoral College has hovered over the 2020 campaign. Mr. Biden's unusually persistent lead has done little to dispel questions about whether the polls could be off again, said the Daily. President Trump needs a very large polling error to have a hope of winning the White House. Joe Biden would win even if polls were up by as much as they were in 2006, it said. Beyond the report for Shakti TV USA.